Well, I know, and there's a number of examples, and let's don't forget about crypto, right? Like
Hmm.
if people had even just a little bit, right? Because I think if you're in the luxury market, you threw just a little bit of money into crypto, a very small amount, you've done very well. Also, gold. I just had a dinner 2 weeks ago with an extremely wealthy family that actually is third generation farming. Now I'm talking about 10, 20, 30,000 acre stuff. And we were talking about physical gold and the price of gold and how they're investing in gold. So there are other things other than stock market. I think the middle class generally has most of their money in the stock market.
Hmm.
But I think once you get to what would consider to be wealthy, it's in that, but it's also in a lot of other stuff.
Hmm.
It's in businesses, it's in crypto. Just like you had a little bit of money in crypto. There's nothing wrong with putting a little money in there. I personally, as you guys know, have been talking about gold forever. Uh, Kiyosaki just bought a house using gold. Like literally, he's been a huge gold bug for years, back from the 70s, and so he wanted to buy another house, and so he cashed out his gold and bought the house, all cash. And I asked him like, how much did it cost you? He's like, well, my original cost on the gold was only about 400 grand. And so and the house was in the millions, right? And so in his mind, he paid 400 grand for the house. I was like, so let's don't forget all the other things, right? That people have their fishing line in, right? Typically there's a lot of things